Really good point. If we think about how we actually go through a process of generating a sale, quite often in something like this, we might want to bring in some additional people and discuss it. Perhaps it's an existing company and you want to, collaborate with some other people that work with that account. So what we're going to do is actually jump back to Teams. So if you could fire that tab back up, and Rupert, can you click on the Teams sidebar link, please? What we're going to highlight from here is we've actually pre-created a Microsoft team for our clients. There's different ways that you could do this. We could have teams for each client. We could have a sales team where we have channels for each client, but we've chosen to create a team for each of our clients. And what we're going to do in a second is actually now create a new channel, which we're going to use to collaborate on the opportunity. So Rupert, can you just do that and just go and create a new channel for us to collaborate on that opportunity? While Rupert's doing this, just a very quick overview of what this means. So when we think about Teams, you can think, if you haven't used it extensively in this respect, typically people think about Teams for making calls, running meetings, etc. But what we're looking at is these different sort of collaboration workspaces where you can come together and actually get work done. In this case, as we said, we've got a team for the customer or the client in this case, and we're going to create a channel which is basically like a threaded subtopic of information. We can see here that we've got the opportunity to create new conversations and have discussions with people around the particular project. We've got a files area that we can actually use to store documents and other things like wikis, etc. And it's just that way of getting stuff done in the context of a particular activity, in this case a sales opportunity. What we're going to do now though is actually link this this channel of discussion and work to that CRM record. So Rupert, could you click on the plus button, please? And we're just going to click on the Dynamics 365 icon. While that is just spinning up, again, there was quite a lot of different options here. These are all the various different applications that can all come into this sort of digital workplace that is Microsoft Teams. And we can see immediately that opportunity that Rupert created is right at the top, Teams plus Dynamics Christmas Go Live. And we have now effectively connected the CRM opportunity to Teams so that we can now start having some discussions around it and start collaborating.